I saw Ate sleeping in the house yesterday.
Saan? Saang house?
Sa kabila.
Saang kabila?
Sa green, sa yellow.
Sa green at saka yellow?
Yeah, he sneak.
Sneaking?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Where is it? That's right. The green and yellow. Like this one, no? Small lang yan. Small lang siya like this one. I put here, oh, sa may bike. The green and the gray and yellow. Where did you put? I need that for my chair sa bike.
Daddy, ano yun?
Tricycle. Maybe it's Lollapat. Uy, subo na, Clay. You always subo. When eating, always subo.
Oh, it's iPad.
Bumili ka mangga, Mang? Bumili ka mangga? Mangga, bumili ka? May mangga doon sa may malapit simbahan. Nadaanan mo yun eh.
Stop eating, you're going to explode. Next snack now. I can't believe these are sisters.
Bumili kang saging?
Huh? She gave these to me. Liar. I didn't do it. You're a bad...
Ay, Clay, I don't like that.
You got it.
No, I'm not got it. I told lang na I don't like that. Hindi man maubusin mo.
Ginano mo yung chicken?
Konti, hindi. Kasi thank you.
Thank you po.
本日は姉妹フェスティバルのおめでたい奇跡に黒島が
Tapos sabi ko, wala bang dagdag yan? Dinagdagan isa. Sa hapon para may dagdag. Ngayon lang yan, Clay, may tablet ka. Habang kumakain, pag malaki ka na, wala na. Oo, subo lang, Clay. Come on.
Daddy, you forgot to buy me a Play-Doh.
We will buy later.
Okay.
Afternoon. After your school.
Fine.
Oh, subo.
Like this, oh.
Yes.
Like this, oh.
Okay. With that different color?
Yeah.
Today is March 10, Monday, 8:30 a.m. Breakfast si Clay dito sa sa garden. It's
Pizza.
2 months na lang, bakasyon na, Clay.
Huh?
2 months, vacation na. Finish na school mo in 2 months.
I will not be grade 1. Daddy?
Isubo na.
I don't want to be grade 1.
Why? After prep yogurt, grade 1 na.
Mom, ba't mamulusundo me?
She's not. Because it's Monday pa. Di ba? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Ayoko mag-grade 1.
Oh, sige na. You eat na. You eat na. It's okay. Isubo na, Clay.
You distress me?
Isubo na, Clay. Isubo mo na before you pick that. With rice.
それではぜひご覧ください。
Look at this boy.